with expressionsvinyl.com, and today I'm going to talk about the Transparent Adhesive Glitter Collection. We have it in 19 different colors, and the neat thing about it being transparent is that when you layer over different vinyl, it brings it a shade lighter or darker. We carry it in 2 different sizes, 12 by 12 and 12 by 24 sheets. And these are just a couple of examples of what you can do with the Transparent Glitter Collection. There are a variety of things that you can put transparent glitter on, and just because it is transparent, there's so much fun things you can use it for. Surfaces that are see-through, such as Tupperware and glass, are kind of one of my favorite things to use the transparent glitter on. It really brings out the color as well as the glitter. And paper products are also popular, and wood and canvas as well. The transparent glitter is a permanent adhesive vinyl with 3 different layers. It has the paper backing on the back, the adhesive in the middle, and the vinyl color on top. If you're using the Cricut, just make sure to put it to the vinyl cut setting, and with the Silhouette Cameo, the recommended setting is to have the blade at a 2, the speed at a 7, and the force or thickness at a 5. Now I'm going to show you how to go about weeding the transparent glitter. This one is just the blue color, and it varies with the color that you have. On this one, I can kind of see the cut settings if I glimmer it to the light, so I have an idea of where my image is. But it always helps to have a weeding box, and that's where I'm going to start. And I have the wording that says, "Let the journey begin on the inside," and that's where I'm going to start weeding my image. So always make sure to do a test cut, and you won't have any problem weeding your transparent glitter. And there you go. And it makes it so much easier to weed right after you cut your image. Let us know what you guys would use transparent glitter on, and make sure to like, subscribe, and add your comment below. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you later. Bye.